Hi everyone, welcome back to Code Step by Step. My name is Anil. This is the third part for React, Redux and Saga series. Here we will set up our project, and for that, first of all, we will install our React.js application, and for that we must have to install Node.js in our system. So how you can check that Node.js is installed or not in your system? Just simply go to the command line, like cmd type. You can type in your Windows search. After that, simply run here node -v, and if you will get any error here, that means node is not installed or your command is not correct. So just check the command, and if still there is an error like this command is not part of external or internal command, that means the node is not installed, right? And for that, what you need to do here, just simply open the Chrome browser and just simply put here node.js, and just go to the first link in browser, and you can download from here. So you will find that there is a two version. One is latest LTS, that is recommended for most of the user, and current version is 18.3.0. so they might be changed if you are watching these videos after some time, right? So you have to just go with the LTS version because this is a recommended. In the latest one version, which is the current version, you might find some minor bugs and all, otherwise that will also be okay, but LTS version is always recommended. All right, so after just click on it, you can download it, and after accepting the terms and condition, you can easily install it. This is not any rocket science, right? So let me just hide it. All right, after that, you again have to just open any folder, and let's say I just want to install it on my desktop, and then I already have a folder like react-redux. I'm opening here command line and simply run here npx create react app and your project name. So let's say in our case, my project name is ecom project, ecom-project, right? That is look like decent. Okay, and you can just simply enter on here. After that, it will just start your creating React application. It took some time, and within that time we can just discuss some other things like after that we have to install 3 more package. First one is react-redux and redux. Now you might be confused that what is the difference between react-redux and redux. See, the both are different libraries. Redux is basically set up the Redux environment in your application, and react-redux will actually connect your Redux part to the React.js. So both libraries are required. After that, you have to install redux-saga also. So here you can see that if you want to check out the official website of all these packages, there are here redux.org, redux.js.org, and here you will find that this is the official website of Redux. And react-redux.js.org, this is the official website of React-Redux. And last one for Saga, you will find that redux-saga.js.org, that is the official website of Redux Saga. So that is actually, I mentioned in the first video that there is a really hard to find the combined documentation of all these library, right? You have to just check out the Redux documentation here, React-Redux documentation here, and Saga documentation here. So even they provide some other options also, like you can use the template Redux. What it will actually do, it will just set up a template in your React.js application for Redux. It will automatically create some actions, reducers, and some other files also, so that you can save the time. But if you are a beginner, then my recommendation is just go with the Redux core and install everything one by one manually, and then create action, reducer, store everything manually, because it will give you the complete knowledge that how actually Redux works, right? If you directly install this, then you may able to work here, but you may not able to explore and take a deep dive in the Redux and React combined package, right? So let's see how much time it will take. It may take some more time. So what I'm going to do, I'm just making this video pause, and once it will install, I will just get back here. All right, now React application is installed. So now let's jump on that project, ecom pro, and we can open it in the browser. So we can open it in the code editor actually. So let's put here code dot command then, and it will open your project in Visual Studio Code. If Visual Studio Code is not installed in your system, that time this command will not gonna work. Then you have to just find another command for any another editor, right? And now what we can do here, we can just check that this is working fine or not. So let's start here with npm start, and we can see that this is working fine. Our project is about to load in browser also after running that command. Here we go. Now we can install all these libraries one by one. Keep in mind, I am not gonna just make action, reducer and store in this video. For that I will make a separate video on each specific feature, like different video for action, so that we can understand it properly. Different video for reducer, store, wrapper and saga, right? So let's run this command on a you can say that your command line. So just simply put here npm I or npm install redux. If you are using yarn, then you have to run that yarn add redux. If you are using npm as we are using, then this is a simple command. After that you can jump on the another command. Keep in mind, you don't need to just install them in a particular sequence. Like first of all you have to install the redux, then in react-redux and then saga. You can install anyone first and anyone at the last. All right, so second one is we will install the react-redux. Okay, it is taking time. Let's simply run here npm install or npm I react-redux, and after that last one is redux-saga. Even they provide the option for copy also if you want to copy, then otherwise you can just simply type it here. And once they are installed, then how you will verify that these commands are installed or not, I will just tell you. So simply put here npm I and redux-saga. And one more thing guys, this, as I told you, this is a third video. Lots of video will coming soon, and link is given in the description box for complete playlist. Don't forget to watch this, right? All right, so how you will check that? Even that question can also be asked in the interview, that how could you check that how many projects, how many packages are installed in your application? For that, let's simply open the package.json, and now you can see that these are the dependencies which are installed. So here you can see that jest, dom, react, user event, they are actually installed by default when you creating your application with the create react app. Now we installed here react-redux, redux and redux-saga. So all these three packages are also available in our application. So that's all for this part, and in next part we'll start just with the code for redux, so that we can create the wrapper, action, reducer and much more things. So thank you so much for watching this video, and please subscribe my channel. That will actually support me and motivate me. And please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like this video, provide your valuable feedbacks in comment box. I really appreciate your time. Thank you so much.